everyone, and welcome to Wow Crochet. My name is Mary, and guess who is sitting on my seat? That's my spot.
Sorry, Sarah.
Sarah is my second eldest sister, not mentioning ages, of course. And she is doing some work for us today. What are you doing today, Sarah?
I'm actually doing a double crochet V top for the Wow Crochet project.
Okay, it is our double crochet V-stitch top. That will be our very next project here at Wow Crochet.
Wow Crochet.
Very excited.
Very excited.
And you guys know that top is coming. It was supposed to have come on Friday. Well, I'm a little bit slack this week. Sorry, guys.
Oh, hi, what are you doing?
Did you not hear what?
Just coming from outside. What's the matter with you? Oh,
I'm doing. Siente,
give it to me. You don't know what you're doing. Oh,
I'm
for
doing
crying out loud.
a double crochet.
What are you doing, by the way?
I'm doing a double crochet
Oh, that's not a double crochet. That's a single crochet.
For the Wow Crochet project. Between the
I'm
ones.
so sorry. Let's have a look what we got here. Look, I'm sorry, everyone, but there's something happening in the background.
Here?
I don't know. Did you shadow? It must be our ghost, our relatives' ghosts.
And so they've come.
Ah, yes, I see now. My apologies.
Yes. And in the, no.
No,
Take that chain off.
Get the chain off.
Yeah, take the chain off and go to the next space.
Excuse me.
Oh, goodness gracious. Are you right there, Josie? Josie, what are you doing?
Did you see that piece of work just floating on its
That's
own?
a Christmas, isn't that a Christmas runner for a table?
It's a Christmas runner for, it's a candy cane.
No, you've already done
Should we
it.
cancel? Do you think I should stop?
And then you do another double
Is that
crochet
your chain?
in a space.
Are you sure?
Yes, double crochet in that space. Same
In this
space.
one?
No, in the same
The same
space.
one. That's what I did in the first place. Oh, I've left out the chain.
That's
didn't I?
right.
I'm so sorry.
Oh my goodness! Now what is she?
Oh, now
got?
there's a floating pillow.
I love that. I love that pillow.
Yeah, a
love
bit
the
red. A
colours.
bit red though. I love the design. I love the design. What do you
Yes,
think?
I think so
Very
too.
triangle though, isn't it?
Now, what sort of crochet is this?
It's single crochet.
It's a single crochet.
It's a
It looks
single
like a single crochet.
Crocheted in a diamond and
In
then
the diamond.
diamonds
Ah,
stitched
what did
together.
I say? Triangles. Do you beg your pardon? Half
I
a
said
triangle.
triangles too.
Excuse me, do you make
Double
Something
crochet.
happened. What is going on over there?
I don't know.
Here. You continue.
Thank you. Oh.
Oh, dear me.
Can we do it? Yes.
Oh my gosh. I see something going on in the
Did
background.
you just put a
there.
chain on there?
I did put the chain on
We
there.
don't want chain there.
Why not?
Because we want to put the chain in between the two crochets.
It is.
No, we're going to the next space now.
Yeah, I haven't done the chain yet.
Oh!
Ah!
Oh my good! Oh, look at that!
It's raining
They're
coasters.
coasters.
It's not
was
raining.
gonna
It's
do
not
it.
raining. It's flying coasters. I'm
Flying
sorry.
coasters.
It's another one. It's a flying
I don't know if
saucer.
I've done
That
this.
was a flying saucer.
Oh, that's got a yarn attached to it, Joe. Be careful.
No. Oops. We don't want to mix yarns together. Thank you.
No thanks.
That doesn't go with green, red, and white.
That's blue.
What
Oh,
else is there? Oh, looks like a pineapple.
I don't think you'll see it, but try
No,
it.
An apple. An apple coaster. Ah! Oh!
flying stitch
Oh.
markers.
I need that. Oh, now we are pinned together. Ah,
Clipped together.
we are pinned together. You know. Oh,
Did you do that as well?
look at that.
Has this got a name?
Guy.
Hello, guy. Green and yellow guy with orange hair. Actually, no, it's peach. With a yellow face. He's a little bit yellow, don't you think?
Everybody say hello to Guy. Hello,
Hello,
Guy.
Hello, everybody. My name is Kai, and I come here today to speak to Chireta or Sira. She is doing some double crochet V-stitch top for Wow Crochet's very next project. She's a lovely chickadee.
Hello. How are you?
Oh, she's so
Shake
cute.
hands.
Oh, I like her very much.
How's
She
it
has
going?
she has a crocheter's handshake. Teresa, what is it you're doing over there, my dear?
I'm playing with a marker.
Oh,
All right from the other side of the world.
oh, it's
It's
Cousin
a
Teresa.
place you know nothing about.
Oh, it's called Cousin Teresa.
No,
Oh.
not Teresa.
Oh, I like you too.
Titi,
You have a crochet's
I come from
hand.
a place called E.T. I.T.
Oh, IT.
Not
I.
T, it's E.T.
Please explain.
Okay, like Teresa, can you explain me too? What is IT?
E.T. is a little bitty island,
Oh,
and there's only one populator. That's
oh,
me.
One populator.
one population. Oh, you alone.
Did you hear that? One populator.
One
Populated, yes.
One population. I like that place. Can I come to go with you today?
No, you come visit, but you can't stay.
Oh
Because then it
no,
won't be one
Because
populator.
there's only one room.
that's not fair. That's not fair. I'm very sad. I think I cry
Oh, you can't cry.
because.
Well, you got no tears.
Although I like when Sarah does crochet because she has beautiful hand. Not like Mary, her hand very big. Sarah very small. They not have big
And very
hands.
small, of course.
Mary, she sometimes scream to me.
Okay.
Yeah.
scream?
She scream.
Say ice cream. I want some ice cream.
No, she made to scream.
Oh, scream. Oh,
Because
scream.
sometimes I stand behind her in her live and I pick my tongue. I poke it like this. Yeah, and sometimes she doesn't like it. Sometimes she get very angry with me after the live.
I ain't no lie.
Guy,
Yes,
I changed my
Teresa.
mind.
Why?
You come and live with me.
Oh, I'm so happy. I think I'm so happy. I want to burst out in laughter and tell everybody.
Why you won't burst out in laughter when I tell you why I want you to come?
Excuse me, don't burst too much.
Okay.
You
I
do
tell you.
all my crochet or my knitting.
Achoo! Oh, you make allergic to me
I am allergic to you. How?
because you're saying knitting. Achoo!
What's wrong with K-N-I-T-T-I-N-G?
Achoo! I can spell.
I
Sorry.
can say it.
Sorry, I know how to spell.
When did you go to school?
It's a school called Wow Crochet. The crazy lady Mary lived there. She's crazy lady, but after the live, she like to get angry. But then I give her a kiss on cheek. She very happy.
Very happy.
Do I get a kiss on cheek?
Okay.
What about the other cheek? I'm Italian.
Oh, Sarah, you nearly finished that top yet? Because Mary, she not wearing very much
You
right
don't know where
now.
to go yet. You made a mistake.
Oh, she made a mistake. Oh,
Oh,
no.
is there a mistake? Is there
Oh,
a
mistake?
no.
Is that two chains there?
You done too many stitches in there. It's far too many.
Too many.
You
Three
said
stitches.
two.
In each space, not in the space, in the double crochet
Double
space.
crochet.
Just in the chain spaces between each double crochet.
Oh, in there.
Yeah.
Yes, that's what I said.
Sorry about that. We got technical.
Susie,
Me
I'm
was
still
silly.
learning.
Okay. Now that Wow Crochet Mary, you know, the fuzzy hair lady, now that she show you how to do it, Sarah, I think you do it better than her. But don't tell her I told you this. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. And in the next live, I blow your kiss to you, Sarah, because you crochet very nice.
Thank you.
Oh, I like very much. And Teresa, I like your stitch marker. What color is it?
It's a peach.
Oh, I like the
Can't
peach.
eat.
Oh, the peach is very nice.
Actually, it's more pinky peach, but your hair is more orange peach.
Yeah, my peach is a little bit better than my hair is better color than
It is better
your
colour,
stitch marker peach.
But you need to color it green.
You know, Mary from Wow Crochet, she cut my hair, make a little bit crooked.
Oh, yeah, I
Yeah.
didn't want to say.
Yeah.
I didn't want to say.
And you know who gave me my name?
Guy.
The daughter Frances, she gave me my name Guy because when she was creating my head, she called me my little guy all the time and we could not think of name for me. So she said, I call him Guy.
Oh, what a guy.
And you know, in the 60s, Guy was a very popular name.
Was it? I
Yeah.
thought a guy was a boy.
Guy. And
And
you
I-
know, there's a famous Australian actor called Guy Pearce.
Yeah,
Yes,
what
that's-
a...
Oh,
Yeah,
we
but-
like him very
Excuse
much.
me, if your name is Guy, you're a boy or a girl?
I'm in between.
Oh, a girl or a boy?
It doesn't matter.
Female,
Sometimes I'm boy, and today I'm girl because too many girls in the room. I don't want to be left out.
Oh.
And you like my dress? It's very nice.
That's a dress.
I like
Oh,
the colours.
very
I thought it
nice.
was a blanket.
And you know, my face is not really yellow. It's kind of peach, but everybody think I'm yellow because you think it's yellow. But
No, I
in
think
real
you are
life,
yellow. You're very yellow.
no, but in real life I am peach.
No, you're not.
All right, I'm skin color. Fine, I'm
And
yellow.
we're doing right now.
Excuse me. Guy, I'm going to speak to Sarah for a moment.
So change the
Oh.
spaces. These.
Where,
these
Guy?
spaces.
Where you
Yeah,
go?
just in there.
What's that one?
Where you
No, that's the
go?
space in between those two
Well, have a
stitches.
look what's going on
Need to
over
change
here
it.
first.
Should have gone in there.
Yeah. Here we go.
Guy, what do you want to do now?
It's time for me to have my nap time. It's very late. It's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, which is very late. I usually sleep at 1 o'clock, so.
Oh, you have a nana nap.
Okay, you go for a nice little nana nap and we see you next
okay.
time.
Good night, Teresa. And good night, Sarah. I hope you make your top in time.
Oh, that's so sort of.
And I want to say good night to all of my subscribers out there. Don't tell Mary, but they're actually my subscribers, not hers. Shh, don't tell her. Good night.
Good night.
Good night, Josie in the background.